Greetings, fellow pet lovers. In this video, I want to show you how to brush your dog's teeth without a toothbrush. So basically, we're going to use a non-invasive type of cleaning. I got this product off of Amazon. You may have seen it. They're called dental finger wipes for dogs and cats. Now, the reason this is preferable as opposed to a toothbrush, because a toothbrush is much more invasive and it's like a foreign object. But the great thing about a finger wipe is it's got the pet's owner's finger, which is not as invasive as a thick toothbrush. So I'm going to go ahead and put one on here. You can choose whatever favorite finger you want to use. And you just put it on like this. We're going to do Bentley here first. Now, Bentley is half poodle, half Pekingese, and unfortunately that breed has a problem with cavities and tartar and everything. Now, he's had 3 teeth pulled, and it's been about $100 to pull per tooth. So this is the product that I'm going to be using. It's called Dental Finger Wipes, and I want to put a link in the comment section on Amazon on how to do that. And you go ahead and put one on. Mom, go ahead and put one of these on. And we're going to also do a Chihuahua. And the Chihuahua doesn't actually have problems with cavities. I don't think he's had any teeth pulled, has he? No, he hasn't had any teeth pulled. So the key is 2 things. You want to make sure you do this at least once a week. More than once is kind of too much. But it's like humans. You want to get the tartar and the plaque removed. The tartar and the plaque removed at least once a week. That way it won't build up. So I want to go ahead and try Bentley. And Bentley's a good boy. So we're going to go ahead and get you. There we go. So, of course, it's just like a regular toothbrush. You go around, and I could tell he is not fighting me like he was fighting. And, of course, you want to get the gums as well. The ingredients is like aloe vera, baking soda, filtered water, and I could tell this is much easier on his gums compared to a toothbrush. Yeah, he's liking this a lot. Maybe. There you go, boy. Alright, now let's go ahead and get the Chihuahua. I'll let Mom do the Chihuahua.
I don't think he'll let me.
Yeah, he might. Alright, go ahead and get Mickey up here.
Well, the last time I did, he growled at me.
Well, he can't growl at his mama. So this is our troublemaker here. Alright, you need help, Mom?
It ain't gonna happen, I don't think.
You just try. He might like it. See, it's much easier, right?
Uh-huh. He did it.
And of course, this product is good for bad breath. It's good for plaque, for tartar. I can tell that it's much less invasive than a toothbrush. You need help?
He ain't gonna put up with it.
Well, this one right here is a troublemaker, so just ignore this one here, this Chihuahua. This one here is our real hero.
Well, remind him that he's 13 years old.
He is 13 years old. So this is the product. I'll put a link in the comment section. I think it works much better than a toothbrush. This particular thing, it's got 60 wipes in it in all, and it's only $7. There are more expensive brands out there. They're like 15, 16 bucks. I wouldn't recommend getting a more expensive brand because these are just like any kind of wipe, has liquid on it and they will dry out. You want to keep it in a cold, dark place if possible. But if it's only $7, it's not going to break the bank, and it's good for a couple of months before it starts drying out. So this is one reason I'm recommending this one, is because it's much cheaper. All right, and the ingredients is not so evasive to where it's like it's got 100 different ingredients. All right, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.